Should I do it on Google Docs or should I use something like Trello? Actually, probably Trello is better.
Spin the wheel, take a chance. Every journey starts a new romance. A new world's calling out to you. Take a turn off the path. Find a new addition to the cast. You know that.
Oh wait, what? There's a game development template. Oh. That's convenient. I delete them though. So you have, okay. I think that's fine, volume-wise. Okay, let me open the current game that we have. What is Godot? Pop, 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 pop. Okay. Let's start writing down the things that we've done so far. What do we have? Okay, but first of all, I want to say, like, how do I... I cannot delete things? That's weird. I'm just gonna start one from zero, man. Okay, let's see. We have a to-do and bugs. Wait, well, we don't. No, actually, let's just make in progress. Bugs, and then let's make a list of like nice to have as well. But let's see. Let's populate what we have so far. We have the bass player movement. That's just so like basic player movement. We have, well, we don't really have a camera script, do we? Kinda, man. Basic enemy behavior. Then we have a zombie enemy. We have a goblin player. We have throw rocks. Player skill. We have a basic enemy spawner. What else can we say that are features that we have? Oh yeah, we have the projectile upgrades. So we made a, yeah, projectile system. Player health. Ah. And in the projectile system, let's make like a basic. Let's rename that. You just want to make it obvious that this is just the star. Okay. We have a basic start menu. We don't have a pause menu. Basic pause menu. We don't have a dead screen. Dead menu. Screen / menu. We have a basic skill upgrade. Okay, we have the rock upgrades, and then what else do we have? I mentioned player health, right? Yeah. So things to do, for example, enemy loot drop. Enemy loot items. Those are two things that we don't have yet. Which are like the basic of the basics of this kind of game genre that I can think of. Oh my god. You know what? I'm really thirsty. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta get some water. Okay, I'm back. Now, what were we doing? I was thinking, yeah, okay. Enemy drop, enemy loot items. And what kind of loot items can we put there? I'll just leave it generic here. We will think about that when we need it. I just want to be a little bit more generic on this task that I want to do. Kinda wanted to add another player skill. So something like a soar orbiting skill. And then increase size upgrade skill. And then we need to add more enemies, to be honest. Um, I'm just gonna make it one more enemies, but I should be more precise. I do have like the assets on Epic Game. Let's make, because like, okay, I want to make like a charging. Uh, is it charging? No, charging is different. Um, no, I think yeah. Charging has multiple meanings in this case. My God, I cannot think in English what I wanna say. Um. Uh. im- No. No. In this. That's not what. That's not the word. Ah. Well, I know what this means. And then let's say like a. And let's just call it like a range enemy. I was thinking of making like a range enemy as well. Someone like throws little projectiles to the air, towards the player. Or will that be too confusing actually? Especially considering you could have like many things going on around this screen. Um, it depends. It depends. You could telegraph it. You could telegraph it. The question is, well, these are pretty basic things. Um, oh yeah, these kinds of games always have like a survival time UI. To know how long you've been surviving. That should be very easy to do. I think here we have to say player. Player. Is this a good idea of the things that we have to do? I feel like there should be so much more, but we can decide what to do now. We can work on this two first. The enemy drop and the enemy items. Let's see. So, if I had to make this two, first I have to define what an enemy item is. And for that, I mean, go to the scripts. Wait, why is this script folder so small? What? Oh yeah, I have a bunch of shit that's outside. Oh god. That's bad. Uh, yeah. Enemy. Why do I have all my scripts all over the place? Yeah, what? That should be fine. Data. I need to organize this so badly, holy shit. Let's call this component. We go to script component. Oh. Yeah, I had like I didn't know what I was doing, man. Just a bunch of C# files everywhere. Okay. Like this two should go to player / interactable false. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the other script that I want to use for the enemy loot. Because technically an enemy loot item has to be an interactable as well. So what can we do? Yo, Mike. Hello. It's coding time. Yeah, not only coding, I was actually brainstorming on like a few ideas on what to do. And what things I've done. Just to have a more concrete idea on what to work next. Because, you know, I got to that point on the prototype where like if I don't... You're still working? Oh, okay. If I don't put things like this, I'm not gonna make anything. why is this playing though? Oh, because the playlist ended? Oh wow. Oh. Wait, that's not good. I go back with the gaming one. There you go. A dashboard, right? Amazing. I am such a professional. Okay, so stop in the JoJo OCT, shake my head. I mean, the JoJo OCT is good, but I'm not feeling the anime soundtrack right now. Oh god, I really should commit this, huh? Before doing anything else. Uh, Organize your scripts. Oh wait, scripts. Okay. What to do, what to do, what to do. There's a new script. So it's gonna be a player interactable. And we're gonna call it we call it like enemy loot or something. Can I put like here like interactable? No, before C# it doesn't show custom types here. Just sad. I'll have to change it by hand. It's gonna be loot item. Let's call it loot generic loot item. Or yeah. And loot item is not gonna inherit from this, it's gonna inherit from interactable and it's gonna have an interaction method. Here we need to override. Now on the interaction of the loot item, we should do something. Oh, I realized my mistake here. The loot item should be a resource. So this should be renamed. Yeah, this should be renamed to like loot item interactable. Is this a good idea? Ah, well, fuck it. I'm thinking too hard about this. Shouldn't be this complicated. Okay. We rename that. We change this. Now, what we need to do is we need to make a new resource. It's gonna be called. We just call it item, like generic item. Just call it loot item, I guess. And now here I need to copy some code. So So it needs to inherit from this, from resource, and then it needs a couple things. It is an item name because doesn't it really need a name? It needs an icon for sure eventually. I forgot what they use for icons on Godot. What's the name? I mean, it could be a texture rect, or it could be image. A sprite 2D. Oh yeah, sprite 2D is the class, but I don't want the class, to be precise. For example, a sprite 2D here, you see it has like a texture variable. I want to make this texture variable. So, but thank you for the sprite 2D, because I can probably use this to get an example. The texture. This texture, what kind of variable it is? Oh, it's just a texture 2D. Okay. So that's what I need. Okay. It's called texture 2D. Where did I put this file? First of all, clear. Hold you closed it. And we delete it. So texture 2D. Icon. We leave it like that. Export string item name. And just call it name. You don't need to say item name. And I'm pretty confident all of these things need to be public. Oh well, but make it public when you need to make it public. Okay. So far we have an item. What can the item do? Let's say that every single item is gonna have a virtual method that's gonna be called onPickup. And public we create on pickup, and when the loot item gets picked up, we do something. And inherits these two variables. And okay. Yeah, we have to define the first loot item. So what can we do? We can make like a health pickup. Something like that. I think that's the most basic one we can do for now. Okay. We call it health pickup, C# that folder. And you're gonna inherit from loot item. Okay, so the health pickup is gonna do things once it gets picked up. We're gonna override this method. But before doing that, one thing that we can definitely do for... Okay. One thing that we can do here, for example, first is here we have to define. When you define a loot item interactable, so the interactable area of a loot item. I kind of don't like these naming conventions that I'm going for. So you're gonna need a loot item. And when you interact with something, you call loot item dot pickup on pickup. I should probably give this node 3D body as a parameter to the on pickup method, something like this. Because I have it there, might as well. Oh yeah, this is wrong. So we pick up the item, and then after picking up the item, we need to delete this. Remove node. I mean, if I do this though... Wait. The way that I'm doing this is that after I... For example, after I kill an enemy, the enemy... If we want to do like Vampire Survivors, you defeat an enemy, and then the enemy has a chance to drop something. That something gets spawned into the world as an area 3D, which is like the thing that we have here. The issue is that something changes, so I feel like I'm setting wrong the loot tables here. Because when they make things more dynamic, the enemy should have two informations. One, the enemy should know, first of all, this thing, the loot item interactable, which is the thing that contains the area to spawn. Like when to spawn and where. And then two, it needs the reference to the loot item, and then call the interaction method. Oh, you don't really need to call the interaction method. That happens when the player collides with that. So I feel like this shouldn't be set manually. It should be set through a loot table. Yeah. Like you still need the loot item reference. But the thing that populates this loot item shouldn't be me doing it by hand. Be done based on a table. Ah. Okay. That means that we need another script. I guess it has to be a resource as well. But that's fine, yeah. I clicked the wrong thing. Not that. So, enemy loot table. And this is simple here. We just need to have an array, and we have to make it export. It needs to be an array of loot items. The one thing though, I would like to define like basically the chances of each item spawning. But how do I do that? I could add like a frequency amount. To every loot item. Yeah, because you also have like the little crystals that help you level up, right? Oh, we should write that down. Yeah. So experience pickups. Basically, right now I plan to make for every enemy, and every enemy is gonna have like a loot table linked to it. But the issue is I don't want to make like a simple array of this enemy. I mean, this enemy spawns like this list of items, but I also want to make the list of items have like a percentage, like a probability. So I need two informations. I don't know if you can do on Godot this though. Can I do like an export of a dictionary? I can do an export of a dictionary where I give it a loot item and an int number, let's say. Can I do that? I don't know if Godot handles this. Oh yeah, this type of exported member enemy loot table is not supported. Never mind, yeah. It doesn't. Yeah, Godot doesn't handle dictionaries right now. Like, that's something that you will solve with a dictionary, but in this case, I don't have a dictionary, I have just a simple array. I guess as a workaround on that, I just have to add like the spawn chance here. I mean, let's load a spawn. I'll just do it here, and let's I don't know. By default, everything is 90%. Good luck with this. Yeah. It should be fine. I mean, it's a workaround to a feature that is still not in Godot. The information that I will place on a dictionary, I just put it here on the loot item, which is slightly wrong because the loot item shouldn't have this information. Especially if I wanted to make different loot tables. Unless what I could do is I make multiple arrays and I have like, yeah, that actually makes more sense. Yeah, that makes more sense. So what I could do is I have multiple arrays and I have something like common items, rare items, and then ultra rare items, something like that. So yeah, that makes more sense. And then I have like fixed percentages on each different array. That will be a bit better. An item contain its rarity and use that for loot table chances. The issue with that, Mike, with that is that you wouldn't be able to test out different loot tables with different rarities. Basically, like, if I wanted to feel like, oh yeah, how does it feel when, for example, I have 3 items. Let's open the notepad. I don't know, just so I can explain my thoughts. So let's say you have like 3 items, right? And you have item A, item B, item C, and this is your first loot table, right? First loot table. If you want to have like where A is common, B is rare, B is ultra rare. Okay. If I have this rarity linked to the item, okay, it makes it really hard for me, for example, to test a world where, like, okay, what happens if I just make, I don't know, the A common, B rare, I mean B common, and C ultra rare. Okay, like, let's say I wanted to test the second loot table. Okay. In order to test this second loot table, I will have to change the item B, right? The information of the item B. And as a consequence of changing the attribute rarity of the item B, it changes also on the first loot table. So by testing a second loot table, I run the risk of overriding the original value of the first loot table that this was supposed to be common. And that's wrong. When you are like reiterating between things, so it's a destructive. It's a destructive design. That's why you don't add that kind of information to the item itself here. Yeah, that's the only reason why, like, the chances are handled by the loot table, and then the item is just the minimum representation of it. So yeah, well, I think this is the best solution I can come up with, so I don't deal with that issue. Ultra rare. Okay. For this, let's just make a method. We make it virtual. I don't think I need to. Let's call public void. Actually, public loot item. Get random item. Wait, let's call this red val. How am I gonna do this though? Uh, okay, so I have, let's say, I don't know, that the common items have a fixed chance of 80% chance. You have a 20% chance. Actually, these chances I could actually make them variable. So I could do export and say float common chance ADF export float rare chance, I don't know, 50%. Export ultra rare chance. I feel like that should be fine. Okay. Now I need to use the random library. I had some example. On the enemy spawner, yeah. So what libraries do I have to use? Probably none. Wait, this is a random here. A random is equal to new random. Wait, do you need to? Can I just do that here? Is this valid? I hope it is. I have the next method. A random integer within a specified range. I got it with floats. Actually, with ints, it's probably everything is probably better. Yeah, just make everything int. Don't need to overcomplicate our lives. Okay, so random.next is gonna give me a number from 0 to 100. And from here, what are we gonna do? Oh, if I do this though, every single common item will have the same chance. Ah, well, I'll take it. It's fine. Okay, yeah, we need to save the return value of random int. Okay, so if random int greater or equal the common chance, actually less or equal the common chance, so every number from 0 to 80 in this case, what we're gonna do is we have to scroll through the. Okay, we're gonna need another random int. Int random. It's gonna be random dot next. It's gonna be between 0 and common loot items dot length -1. Okay. And here we have red val is equal to common loot items random income. And here we have basically to repeat this, all of this, over and over. But what we have to change here is your rare, ultra rare, ultra rare, rare. Okay. That should kind of work. Oh yeah, wait, no, it's not, doesn't work. I gotta fix this. Here you're not one minus greater than rare chance, but oh yeah, I kind of fucked up. Yeah, because like if I have to do 80%. Ah, wait. Oh god. Why is this so difficult? Yeah, 80% basically is every number from 80 to 20. So in this case, the common chance is not all the numbers from 0 to 80, it's all the numbers from 20 to... Like, yeah. So it's... The common chance is all the numbers that are greater than the rare chance plus the ultra rare chance. And then that's the common. What's the point of defining this then? If I do that. Yeah, there wouldn't be any point of defining this, I guess. Then the rare chance, for example, in this case will be all the numbers between 19 and 19 and 6. So I need to do if the number is bigger than this, or the number is bigger than... Oh god. Actually, what I can just do is if the number is bigger than the ultra rare chance, yeah, that's it. Yeah. If the number is bigger than the ultra rare chance, we know that it's a rare. Because we already passed through this check, so it's not a common. And then for the... You need to be minus equal here. Not just an else. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. Okay, yeah, but if we do this, yeah, then this guy is useless. Kinda coming at it. Basically, percentage-wise, the common items are gonna be the difference between these two. In theory. That's how I think it's gonna work. That's how I hope it's gonna work. Um, I think we could go back to Godot and try to test some things now. What do we do here for shape? It's a box. For simplicity. One thing that I should probably do is compile. Yeah, I want to make the interactable first. Which the interactable is just gonna be the... Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, that should be fine. Now, what we need to make, though, is make our first resource for the... loot! Hello, Panda. Yes, it is Undertale music. Here. So, what did I want to add? Wait. Why is my loot table not showing? Oh my god, Panda. Just how much shit are you sending? I don't understand this thing how people just defended their air fryers with their lives. Oh, that one is funny. Ah. Okay. I hate the water temple, too confusing. I hope you're doing great in life now. I couldn't be going worse, kid. Oh god. Oh god. No. Just no. Oh. Oh. Oh, you want the music on that one? Why is this gonna be Miku Miku Being?
And now, it's time for a moment you've been waiting for.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ready? Miku Miku.
Oh boy. Yeah, he's the dog to someone. Wait, but one thing, why is this not working? Oh, my VS Code pets was not working. Do I have to build manually here? If I get those by Miku Miku Being, I can't be mad. I mean, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. Yeah, everything all here is working fine. It's just that the Godot hasn't realized I added more. Wait, but is the old resources at least working? Like the projectile data, for example? What? Oh, or we just make this one and then we attach this script. Oh. I guess that worked as well. Okay. Miku Miku 1 is good. Let's just call this base loop table. And let's see. Okay, yeah, okay, you can do that. Okay, that's perfectly fine then. So, I remember you could just right-click, create resource, and then you just add. So I guess I have to start from this and then add the script every single time now. I don't know why. It's a bug. Oh yeah, I gotta make sure something here. Before doing all of this. And common loot items equal to null. And here I have to add a check if random in common greater or equal to 0. Okay. I mean, this check I have to add it everywhere. This is error-prone code. You have more? Yellow one, yellow one, yellow one. I don't get this one. I'm not that much into Vocaloid to understand it. Yeah, I am not into the subculture at all to understand these memes. Oh my god, but just... fact that you just... Hey, prepare, holy shit! There's a nine-tailed fox disguised as a concubine of irresistible charms trying to use doubles and grinder. I'm missing the plot or something. I don't know. Hey, that's actually funny. Hey, that's actually funny though. I like that one. Like, I couldn't afford the games. The remix just plays the music. But why?
قفل الباب معك زي الناس بالأوكرانية.
Oh, that's not even funny.
Happy New Year.
That's not even funny, bro.
سنة سعيدة عليك.
That's not funny at all. Oh damn, that was a nice throw. Okay. Yeah. Not enough into the subculture to appreciate this. Time to change that, bro. What do you mean time to change that? You can't make me a Vocaloid fan. And for the simple fact that I just don't enjoy the music that much. I'm not a huge fan of Vocaloid music. They have some songs that are fine. But just that, fine. You know, like... If they play in the background, I can still listen to them without cringe. You got 3 ads? Well, you know, you can always subscribe and... give me money instead of giving ads to Jeff... ad revenue to Jeff Bezos. Easy, right? Or to be honest, I think like some people manage to like get enough ad blocks that they can't even block Twitch. I know that Elvin, for example, she does it. I don't know how she did it, but... yeah, I've definitely heard them sing this before. But like I said, if we're gonna do that, you got that. He's older than your brother, by the way. You're saying like there are so few things older than my brother. Like, bro. You know what? I don't give a fuck about this video anymore. We have to click this. You just have to look at this video. It has 29 views. It was uploaded 2 hours ago, and it's called Waifu Milker's Dance. We just have to click it. We just have to click it, bro. Like this. I have to fall for the clickbait. Like, what the fuck? Bro, just... What is this? Oh, it's Honolulu by Waifu Milker's Dance. Okay. That's all they do? Yeah, that's all they do. They just upload waifus with huge milkers. Bro. On YouTube as well. That's just playing with fire. Um, yeah, we need to make items. Items. Let's see. Resource. What do we call it? What do we call it? Let's call it, I don't know, experience item. Which it doesn't exist yet. Or actually, we said that we were gonna make the health pickup first, right? So let's call it health pickup. Oh well, health item. You must definitely know this. If you don't, we have a problem. But this came out 2 months ago. Do you truly believe I know about the song from Vocaloid that came out 2 months ago? Yeah, but I don't like Vocaloid for the same reason I don't like techno. It's very upbeat music, and that's it. Like that's it. There is no depth. Are we doing some requests right now? No, I'm just entertaining Panda on. Like he's trying to teach me Vocaloid, it looks like, so yeah, no. Hey bro, like, it's 14 seconds of just pure noise for me, genuinely. Genuinely, like, 15 seconds of pure noise. Unplanned by you. Oh, bro, it is horrible, holy shit, I cannot listen to that. It's better already. Oh, so this is a remix from my Vocaloid. Okay. Like, I love the animation where it's just rotating the character left and right. I am, but it's not for me, guys. I can't. You know, we gave it a try. We gave it a try, but it's not the fact that, you know, it's like anime, because I have like a bunch of anime songs that I like, that I enjoy, but Vocaloid, like I just can't. I don't know. It never clicked. It never clicked. But you know what did click? The soundtrack of Nier Automata. That shit was fire. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was trying to figure out items. But you know what? Let's skip that. Yeah, I need to basically. I made the. I realized that I made the enemy loot table right, but I haven't made items yet. We're gonna work on that. Kinda no point of having, you know, a loot table without items. Oh my god, Panda, what else? This is the last one I'm gonna click, Panda.
What is going on here? What is Hatsune Miku? What is
Hatsune
any of this,
Miku.
actually? I stand corrected. I'm not familiar with anything going on my screen. Did I just have a fucking stroke? What the fuck just happened, bro? What the hell?
Yeah.
Someone in the chat said aneurysm core. That is insane.
Aneurysm core.
Yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about why Heartbound is not.
Oh yeah, I gotta watch this later. But in general, man, like I cannot get with Vocaloid. It's too much. I don't know why. You know, it, like I'm weird, right? Because like I can give you an example of the shit that I listen to, right? For example, I'm not fine with Vocaloid, but I'm fine with this thing. Like for example, Yuki-san Midori. Bro, I love this. Bro. People like Ado. I love Ado. She's great. Yeah. You know, I wish I listen to weird shit like this. Also, I should probably stop showing nipples before I get banned. You never know. You never know. Reported? Oh no. Don't report me. Please. I'll walk away. Okay, health pickup. What can we do here? Can't believe you're at 700 followers already. I've been at 700 followers for like so long. For so long. I think it's been like 4 months. Remember when I had 56? Yeah. I remember you came to the stream when I basically just got affiliated. Okay. I need to think of this. So the player has the health component. The question is, do I access the health component directly and then change the health? I don't know, export, load, heal amount, and just say 10 F for now. I can't do this stream to insult my bloodline. To be honest, Panda, many people enter my stream just to insult my bloodline. That's, you know, I have to say, like, at least a third, okay, of the people that come to my stream just come to hate. Yeah, you stay, that's true. That's a rare occasion. It has only happened twice. It was with you and Rocco. Look at this little guy. Isn't he cute, guys? Okay, I have 100 health. When I pick up this, I heal by 25 according to whatever I said here. So. Bro, back in the days, keys were bad, okay? I am innocent. Keys back in the day were a toxic item to have in your hands. They were so fucking broken. Yeah. The behavior took like 6 years to fucking nerf them. Like, bro. Like, why? Oh, I don't have any health component methods. I have the change health. Oh, now that I think about it, I just remember this game is in fucking 3D. So every item needs a fucking 3D model. Aren't I a genius? Ah. Ba-da-pum, ba-da-pum. Oh. So, mesh? For a side explorer H game. The side explorer was a test, okay? I just wanted to test my abilities to make a 2D game. The test is over. Therefore, don't need to think about that anymore. Okay, can I do here like a new, just random mesh? Because give it a torus. Why not? Torus are great, right? You give it a freaking torus. Because how big is a torus by default, though? Really fucking big, okay. Have you been?
Been searching all along, confessing while alone and on, without a clue, without a sign, without grasping it. The real question to be asked: where have I been?
Queso? No. I've seen that he's gained a lot of popularity, but I've never watched Queso. I don't even know what he streams.
I'm a sharpshooter. What else should I be? Please don't take off my mask, revealing dark.
Bum 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 bum. What do you mean, ha? Okay. So, we have an item. I can add the item here. Actually, no. We can do... It's added like a rare item. Oh wait, it's not working? Ah. Why is it not working? I hate my life. You know what? I kind of will just... I think I'm considering just removing that fucking thing. Just because it genuinely just doesn't work. Like half the time it just doesn't. Okay, Panda, you know what the issue with those requests are? That both of those requests are like 50 euros requests.
I can't tell you how to see me.
Leo Max said, can you please fucking finish Persona 5 like oh my fucking god or Elden Ring DLC? Like dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, but I don't want to go through that hassle, right, Panda? Like, genuinely, I don't want to. Like, I don't have this desire on me to play Persona 5 on PlayStation 5. To play on PlayStation 5, I will need to link it to my PC through the what's it called? I have a thingy that allows me to stream consoles on my PC, but I forgot the name of the item. Like a converter. But it's not a converter, that's not the name. Well, whatever, it's still a pain in the ass, bro. That's... Second issue with Persona 5 is a fucking 200-hour game, bro. Like, how long was Persona 5? How long that game is? Okay, 100 hours to the main plus sites. Completion is 173. Yo, Diana, hello. How are you doing? That is wrong. Maybe you're too good, Panda. Maybe you're too good. You have to consider as well that if I were to play Persona 5, I will stream it like any other Persona game. And when you stream a game, you gotta add like 50% extra time. Because between Japan sessions, between me like overreacting because like, something was too funny. I also stream Persona 5. Yeah, but it's not the same. Not the same. Oh, Diana. Isn't that great? I envy you being able to take naps. I had to go to the gym and do an hour of cardio. You know, instead of a nap, that's what I did. I was dying. It's not just about the viewers. It's not just about the viewers. I do try to be more engaging when I speak and do things like that. I'm not the best, but I try. I already played 50% of the game, but that was ages ago, bro. My body didn't ask, you just passed out. I mean, if you passed out, I'm pretty sure your body asked. Like your body demanded it. Very different. Your body was probably like, Diana, please give me a break. I can't do this. Between your horrible performance with Bane and drawing 24/7, just let me get some sleep. That's your body words, not mine. It wasn't me. I didn't say it. I'm just saying what your body said in that moment. Don't hurt the messenger. Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. What was I doing? Fuck. Destruction. Oh yeah. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I mean, what do you mean when he skips the messages? What message have I skipped? Except that one. Ah! Yeah, that was 4 years ago. Exactly. You have to understand, Panda. If you ask me to play Persona 5 again, I will play it from scratch, as if it was the first time. I'm still dating the teacher though. I don't care. I don't care how you guys judge me, but the teacher in Persona 5, best wife. Morgana. She isn't even top 3. Makoto, you like the nerd? Like Panda. No taste. No taste. If you said at least the God Doctor, okay? That's a good number 2. Okay? That's a solid number 2. Well, yeah. Let me see what I can do here. I'm gonna do the prison. Oh god. Can I make it like half the size? It's not a nerd, the nerd is Futaba. It's different. But, no. Like Makoto literally all she does is read and study. Futaba is a gamer, bro. Futaba has more of a social life than fucking Makoto. Makoto is literally the kid in your class that reminds the teacher that he forgot to check the homework. That's Makoto. Like, what's wrong with you, Panda? Yeah, see, go Kawikami! The teacher! She ain't even underage! Even better! The doctor! Also, not underage. It's that simple, guys. All anime girls are. Especially Persona games, yeah. Everyone knows it. Hey, those are lies, Diana, okay? Sometimes they are like 200 years old.
They just look like that because, you know, they worked out a lot. They really worked out a lot. Oh, it's 3,000. Yeah, you know, she does Pilates. Those are great.
She does Pilates. Sai is the really the best one. Wait, who was Sai? Fuck, I don't even remember who Sai was. I don't remember. Oh, Makoto's sister. Yeah, okay, yeah. You know, solid. Yes. Not the best one though. Not the best one. You know, I can see her on the top 3. You know, 3rd spot. That's fine. I do like me a woman with a strong attitude. You know, with a strong personality. I'm still confused of what to do here though. You guys have been making me jab so much, I've lost focus so hard. Oh, there isn't that. Use the ad to... Oh yeah! We need to make a new component. So... how do we call this? What's the name? Loot drop component, let's just call it loot drop component. No, this should go to components in case I want to make something different from the enemy. I mean, I kind of want to play... I want to play Guilty Gear so badly as well, but I shouldn't. I shouldn't play Guilty Gear. I need to be honest, I seriously need to focus a little bit more on game dev on my free time. I feel like I've been slacking off a lot. But that's the main reason why today I'm programming. Okay, now this is a new component. What do we need on components? I mean, okay, I just need this. Yeah, we need a reference to the health component, but I think I'm just gonna make it like an export health component and just drag and drop it in this case. I think that's fine. Then already. On death. So when the enemy dies, we need to add a new method in this case. So drop loot on death. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing that we need to do is we need a reference to the loot table. Just call this loot table. So when we die, the first thing that we need to do is get a new loot item. Loot item. And the item is gonna be get random item from the loot table. After you get the random item, oh yeah, I think I need here on you. I need a mesh instance 3D. And this is gonna be empty. Item mesh. Export package scene. I forgot how you do this. Packed scene. There you go. In this case, yeah, it needs to be the loot item interactable. Okay, when we do that, how do we spawn things? I forgot how to spawn things. I completely forgot how you do that. Society. Not instantiate as note. Okay. So we instantiate this, but it shouldn't be as a node 3D, it needs to be as a loot item interactable. And if this fails, yeah, well, things went to shit. If this node is not inside the tree, regenerates an error and returns null. Why is this method not allowed? I mean, I don't get this. So you can call the method getTree, which, yeah, I remember it gives you like the base of the level. And then what do you have? Current scene. Okay. That's how you do it. Okay. Okay. So we instantiate the item, but after we instantiate the item, we need to change the item's location. So item.global position. It needs to be equal to this get parent node 3D dot global position. I'm gonna be right back, guys. bathroom trip real quick.
Welcome to the Fan world. What's my end game? There came a zero. Send here, there is a silence everywhere. No peace either. Where there is no beginning and no end. Well, life is like that. And yet the words that won't go with the room ahead. Nothing here. Pitch black, pure white, all the same. Endless, finite. Copy that. Comes to be 10 billion. And they'll come to you without a second thought.
Okay, we're back. Now that I think about it, do I have like a rotation component? Ah, yeah, I do. Oh yeah, that's it. That's so dumb. Wait, I think the rotation component doesn't do what I think it does. Or maybe it does. Let me check.
Copy that.
Oh no, yeah, it doesn't. Okay, that's fine. Ah, what was I doing? Fuck. Okay, yeah, okay, we spawn the item. We spawn the item. You just leave the item there. In that position. And you finish your job, yeah. You can feel it. We just test this and see if it works. Most likely it won't. I expect everything to break now. Oh, something broke. I cannot move. Loot component. Oh, yeah, I forgot to on the zombie here. We need to assign things. So the loot table needs to be what I created here. And the loot item interactable needs to be my... this. Yeah, I gotta make sure those things are populated properly. Okay. Okay, shit breaks up at a certain point. Oh, what's the error? Add child doesn't work. No 3D gives an error. I mean, when it calls this.god get parent, it that doesn't sound good. Could this be a matter of order of operations? I mean, I know that the animation player, yeah, after the animation ends, remove node on death. So by that time, it should have already. Yeah, it's order of operations thing. Potentially you remove the node before. They shouldn't though. It should. It calls the pair. They should kill it the next frame. I think the issue is that these don't get parent. Unless I make this a node 3D and just call this dot get global position. We do this, make things easier for ourselves. Let's see. Will this work? We don't know. Why are these guys like immortal? Oh wow. Wait, because item is... Oh. Oh, haven't I... Oh, I think I haven't put the script on this one. Oh, I put the wrong script. Oh, no fucking wonder. Yeah, okay. Why do you have that, bro? Okay, things are dying normally, but I do not see like anything spawning yet, so there must be something wrong. Yeah. Oh yeah, I did not assign the loot item when I did this. Yeah. So when I called this, and I do this. I do item dot loot item equal item. I'm gonna rename this item area. Let's see. I still don't see anything being spawned. Okay, it told on pickup. What? Oh, I know why. I know why. Because your collisions are wrong.
Yeah, so layer is the... Okay. So you should only collide with player. Mask is the... Okay, so you wanna look for player and you belong... did I make any for interactables? I guess I did make skill upgrade, but that's not quite it. I guess I can rename a skill upgrade with interactables. Yeah, I can rename this interactable. Ah, that should be fine. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not instantiating the mesh. Wait, so get node mesh instance 3D. What's the name of the thingy? This is bad practice, but that's fine, to be honest. Not that big of it. Node mesh equals put item dot mesh. So that one needs to be public. Hey there. Oh my god, what just happened? I'm still not seeing anything being... Oh no, wait. I'm seeing the Tauruses. The Tauruses are being spawned. Can I pick it up? Oh yes, and I'm healing. Ah! Oh my god. The Tauruses are being spawned. Do they work? Kinda neat. There are a few issues with it. For example, first of all, I think I need to move everything up a little bit, like this. So when it spawns, it's like a little bit on the air. And second of all, it's only spawning the Tauruses, but I also made, in theory, another item which should be the common item. But for some reason, it's spawning the Tauruses more often than the common item. Tauruses should be rarer. So there is, something is wrong there. It should be... Did I add this to the loot table? Yes, I did add it. It is there. We can make the Taurus a little bit bigger though. Oh, we're getting errors. The health component is... yeah, just add boom. There you go. Magic. Was always there on the pickup, yeah. Oh yeah, because what I'm doing here on the thing... No, that's fine, that's fine. Oh yeah, that's fine. Compile and retry. No, one thing, I'm getting tilted at the fact that it's starting the game always in that resolution. I don't need that resolution right now. And I want to play Guilty Gear. Just because of the music, for fuck's sake. I forgot how you change things. Bro, just look for resolution. It's not here, okay. Oh my god. What happened? Something changed and I don't know what. I remember here in the project settings, you will just go here. Window. Yeah, it's this mode. Resizable. Oh. Wait, yeah. Oh yeah, why is it not doing this? Or could it be because I once... I'm gonna test this. What if I just shrink it? I shrink it, close it, start it. Does it remember? Ah, because it remembers. Okay. Oh, we're still having errors. Isn't that just amazing? Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Oh, we're getting out of range. I know where that could be. Yeah. Wait, on the ultra rare. Here? Why are you entering here? It shouldn't be a thing. Now, first of all, why are you giving an error here? This is 0 minus 1. It should... Oh, does random does not allow negative numbers? Oh yeah, because max value. Oh. Okay, well, you know, just to make sure. Greater than 0. We're gonna do the same here. We're gonna do the same here. But change this. Change that. So if the random int is greater than the sum of these two, which is 20, yeah, it should be fine. Why is that not working? I'm confused.
Can't you see I'm blazing? Still my heart is blazing. If the words kill me, I don't need a new world over you. My time is my word. Your words will never let me disappear.
This loot item is null? Oh yeah, because it can be null. No, but it shouldn't. If you had common... Oh. Are you saying that... Yeah, what happens if we get the ultra rare chance, but there is nothing.
The town inside me.
Okay, I think I understand the error. Yeah. Okay. It should be okay. Where do we fix that? It should be on the blue drop component. Yeah. So if this is not null, or let's just do if this equal null, don't do anything. Just skip. If there is no item to spawn, we don't do anything. Yeah, that should be. Oh my god, there are so many zombies. Oh, we're dead. Oh, we're dead. The little guy is dead. I just find so hilarious. People just look at the other screen. Now he's dead.
I never found out what it was. It's my stress, that's for sure. I never wanted to run away. I was very motivated. Then what is this feeling? Who would I ask? I've been patient, but it was very
Oh my god, we're not getting any errors now. I am not seeing what I want though.
what it was. Tastes like vegetables I don't like. The town
Inside you.
and everyone's voice.
Okay, so no, they are spawning the things.
I can go home 'cause I'm afraid something
But why is it so rare?
will be without me. I'm the one to blame.
I'm gonna have to debug this. Because I think the algorithm that I came up on the spot to
Not waiting for Santa.
like get a random item doesn't work.
We have the gifts, just can't open the box. I know all about it. No one can solve it unless I decide to do something about it. It's not even a case. I've been patient.
Okay.
It was terrible.
So
I had the gray haze.
we just killed an enemy. We get a random int. That random int is 27. So 27 is above the sum of the rare and ultra rare chance. So it should go here. And it does. And it gives me a different number. It gives me 0. Because the length is 1. And it gives me a number between 0 and 0. That's fine. We reach here. It returns a value. Red ball is the item, is the prism. That's perfect. It just returns the prism, right? Yes.
My body is light. Let's paint the gray haze into sky blue. I know who you are. I'm not leaving you again. The town inside me. And everyone's voice. We are not there. Just watch from afar. There is nowhere to go back.
And that worked. Yeah. The question is, how come I'm not seeing them? Could it be a matter of scale? No, but we did see the Tauruses. I'm gonna add a random material here just to check things out. Just wanna make sure that it's not due to the. Let's make this quite big as well. I just wanna see that you summon the thing, you know, like, it's that simple. Oh, you wanna know what the issue is? It's the global position issue. I feel. Because it's always spawning them like here on the bottom, right? Like, see? But if I go up... If I go up, I don't see them. So I'm guessing I go to the main scene, right? So they're spawning always down here. I think the position, there's something wrong with the way I'm setting up the positions. Of the loot drop component. The loot drop component is something inside the enemy. What am I doing wrong? Let me add something like mesh instance 3D. Just to test things out here. Oh yeah, it's just not spawning in the correct positions, but why? They're spawning all the way down here. See how they're like just grouping up always in the same place? I don't understand this. Do I have to do item? Install position. That makes no sense, though. This makes no sense. Why will I do that? That's just the local position, and which is gonna be like the center of the map. Like if I do that, everything is gonna appear on the center of the map. It should. Yeah, see, everything is spawning there. So it's definitely related to the global position, but why is it doing that? Could it be because of the way the zombie moves? I don't think so. Think, Leo, think. The one thing that I'm thinking of is that maybe this parent here is not right. Let's do like a GD print here. Floor. Which is this? Okay, so it is setting the parent correctly. So on the remote here, we should be seeing. Maybe player died. Let me see if I'm fast enough to do this, just to check things properly. Why are they spawning all the way over there? That is a weird bug. That's a very weird bug. Maybe we set the position first and then we add the child, something like this. Maybe something dumb like that. It wouldn't make any sense, but I straight up there's an error now. Okay, yeah, cannot get the transform. What if I just don't set the transform? Right? Like what happens? In theory, I should go to the transform of where I instantiated from. I think if I do this, everything just goes to 0, 0, 0. Ah. Yeah, everything just goes to 0, 0, 0. I wonder. Oh no, I got it. Oh my fucking god, the error was that simple. It's destroying itself. It's clashing with something else and it's destroying itself the moment it spawns. Yeah. Wait. This method, who calls this method? I forgot. Are you okay? Um, Here I need to add if body name equal player. Then do this. I think that's what we have to do. I think it's probably spawning the thing and destroy itself. Oh yeah, but okay, yeah. We need to reinstantiate this. Oh, what a dumb bug, man. Yeah, and only dumb. Okay, it's working now. Oh my god, we did it! And the Tauruses are fairly rare as well. Yeah, and when we walk on them, they disappear. Okay, one thing. Okay, first of all, let's get rid of this thing. Okay, okay. So we do get some Tauruses. They are very common, not as common as the blue items, right? Like that we're picking up. But then we can pick up the Tauruses, heal ourselves. Okay, I'm happy. I'm very happy with this. It gives the idea of what I was going for, right? We just need to tweak a little bit the numbers. And we're not having like that many performance hits either. It still plays fairly well. Oh, I love this song. It makes me sad every time I listen to it. Everything's working. I'm happy. That's good progress. I need to work a little bit on, you know, eventually at getting better 3D models for this. For example, I don't know what kind of if we really wanted to copy Vampire Survivors, instead of using like these weird prisms, we probably need like to get like a crystal. We can probably 3D model like a nice crystal. Or even find one for free, to be honest. I don't think that'll be that rare. Okay. Well, that's let's see. On the objectives that we added. Enemy loot drops and enemy items. We did it. They're not bad, amazing, but we did the base basically. What's the next thing that we should work on? Okay, for example, before playing on the experience pickups, we should probably like make like an experience system first. We don't have anything like that. Cannot work on this without that. Okay. Another thing that I have to make is import trees. Unreal. Make a level. A good looking level. Because right now we have like just a plain box. It's kind of ugly, right? One of the steps that I kind of wanted to make, I feel like one of the first levels I wanted to make with this little guy was like a forest of some kind, right? We just make a forest, and in the forest there are monsters. But for that, I already imported some assets, which are like trees and rocks and things like that. Like this tree over here. Well, I still need to fix them though. That's the only issue. Uh. Oh well, you know what? Today we've made some good progress. I'm gonna just make this commit, and then I think I'm gonna call it a day. I still need to do my dailies on Stainless Zone Zero. And then we gotta go to sleep. Added enemy drop. No, don't say not again, Diana. Okay, it's just dailies. Okay, dailies take like 5 minutes to make. It will probably take me longer to open the game than to do dailies. I'm gonna do them real quick. But yeah, today I'm gonna treat myself right and not go to sleep too late. You upgrade Sukaku to the max? Oh, with who do you play her? I'll show you what I have right now. With Miyabi? Yeah. It's okay-ish. The issue with Sukaku is like she takes so long, bro, to... Like I used to use her on my Ellen team. But then like, bro, it just takes too long to do the spin thingy. After she does it, yeah, it gives you a nice buff, but takes too long. You've gotten good with her. It is really, it's not a matter of getting good or not. Like she's usable. Again, don't get me wrong. She's nice, but it's just that there are better choices out there. Of course, it depends on your luck as well. Yeah, counter plus hold L. Yeah, that's what I used to do as well. That's like the fastest way for her to do this spin, but still not awesome. And you wanna know my second biggest issue with that is that she can get interrupted. Like if you have many enemies, she can just get interrupted out of the spin, and then like wow, just useless. Oh, the damage is nice for sure. Let's see. What generator do we have? Oh wait, we're fine. Let's see what I have.
Eradicate all evil.
This is my Miyabi. You don't have Bernice? Yeah, Bernice is awesome, man. She's almost maxed out, my Miyabi. I don't plan to fully max her out though. I can get this. I'll leave this at 11. I don't know, I should probably max it. I do have the materials. But I don't know. I'm still judging. They have my Jane Doe. Jane Doe, my beloved. She's my favorite character by far. Even though right now she's weaker than my Miyabi by far, by a lot. She's way weaker than my Miyabi. But yeah, she's nice. I like Jane Doe. I also have the weapons. I got really lucky with the weapons. And got Lee-Count. I got Lighter. I got Bernice. I got Ellen.
Time for some tail care. 1,
And then yeah, that's it.
yes, all accountable.
The rest doesn't really matter. Like I'm missing very few characters actually.
Officer 148, Juyuan, ready.
I skipped Suyan and Jinchi when they came out. Oh, you joined around Bernice? I joined when like the game came out. This game was on my radar for so long, and I'm so glad I started playing it. Mainly because like it has like, in my opinion, it has the best animations in all of the gaming industry. No other game compares. Like the story mode on this game is like watching a Pixar movie, you know?
Eradicate all evil.
It's so nice. Like I really enjoy what MiHoYo did with this game because it kinda set a new standard, you know, on what's possible with animation and things like that. You can feel it, you know, on the game when you play it. You can feel like the love that the animators put into making every single character move and stuff. For example, just ordering a coffee, bro. It's so satisfying. Like, bro, let's do it. You see a little robot do the thing. And, ah. And this is all absolutely made by a human, you know, like this shit that AI couldn't do. Which makes even better. And we just go fight in the holo. I know even the holo, these simulations. Who do I need to level up actually? I think it's in Piper a lot. But they're kind of strong anyway. I need to do the Notorious Hunt, but I don't want to do that right now. That's a pain. What about Lee Count? Oh yeah, you're still missing stuff here. Yeah, we can farm this. We also need this. Okay.
I'm at your disposal.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-bum.
Scatter! Great hit! I see it. It's over.
I mean, if you have Miyavi, sadly, Miyavi is like so broken, okay? Like, it kind of makes any other team useless, you know? That's my only complaint with the character. She is way too overtuned. The fact that she can trigger Disorder by herself, it's way too broken. Like, it's way too broken, like Jane Doe, for example, is my favorite character, but lately I've been using her less. Just because, like, bro, Miyavi is just that good. You know, like... Miyavi's just way too strong. But I love my Jane Doe team as well. Oh. The only issue with my Jane Doe is like I haven't been lucky with the disc at all.
Quick. Burning it like Oops, sorry. Hit him where it hurts. I'll make it painless.
Oh, I love this song. And whenever this song played on Final Fantasy 15, I will always be so happy. Oh, you got Soldier 11? Nice. I don't know what I'm gonna get from the free 300 standard rolls. But I mean, did you reach the 300 standard rolls? Or no, you probably just got her. Yeah, you probably just got Soldier 11 from the standard banner. You reached 300? What? How? Did you pay for it? Like, did you pay polychromes for it? Because I've been playing for so long and I haven't been getting anywhere close to 300. Look, I have 235. But I also miss a shit ton of things, so... Oh, I see, yeah. If you spend like a couple, yeah. That's a classic. That's a classic newbie mistake. But I hate. You know, I need to change the units on this thing. That laser is annoying. Oh, let's do it again. We're almost done. I'd finish this battle and then I can go to sleep in peace. Up, up, para pa.
Eradicate.
I shall follow your orders.
How much can we craft? Oh my god, we can craft so much. Okay, we have that, and then the dodge. Yeah, the dodge. Then Aether support? Oh, really? I mean, I know she's Astra Jao. I think it's gonna be Astra Jao and her bodyguard. I don't know much anything else though. This guy is maxed out. I'm not gonna get their ultimates now. Game teams with her and bro, Nicole for being an A rank is like the most broken support in the game. In my opinion. As it stands right now, and I see some ass shake. I mean, you wanna see what Nicole? I mean, for this, like there is so much in this game, bro. You can have like the wolf ass shake. See? Don't you like that? Ooh. Prefer like Yukata, right? This is what you like, right? Ooh, don't you like that fluffy tail? Is she? Yes, Mike. Do you wanna see why Nicole is broken? Bro. Just read this. Where is it? That wasn't it. Was it Z6? Or C3 yeah, usually? No. C2 then? It was one of these. This one increases anomaly build up and attack from the X special, but oh no, I think it was just her passive, just base kit she's broken. Yeah, look, defense reduced 25%. 40%, like, bro. You max it out, just she by default just existing reduces defense by 40%. This is where I spend your money. Actually, this is the only gacha game where I spend money on, and I spent $5. I spent €5 on this game. $5 a day? About that buy. I mean, 3.5 seconds is a long time, Mike. I don't know. In what situation do you think 3.5 seconds in this game is not a lot? Like, I think even the Sukaku buff is like. Yeah, but this is a personal buff. Oh well, never mind. The Sukaku one is like long as fuck. Holy shit! Can I see some gameplay? What kind of gameplay? Because this game has like many parts to it. It's not like Genshin where like you have an open world and you do everything. It's very different. It's more like instance based. So you either have like the main gameplay on this city where you do like dumb side quests and interact with characters. Shinwei defense. Oh shit, okay, so you want like the battle thing. I don't do much in your defense, to be honest, but I can show you. Or to be honest, I think the best thing, if I really wanted to show you this game, like, let me show you a boss fight. I think boss fights are probably like the best representation that you can do on like, how this game is. As it was a cool looking boss fight that I don't kill like in one hit. This one. Let me use this like slightly weaker team, otherwise it's too easy. Like yeah, like if you go with the really strong teams, like there is nothing to showcase. It's just you one-shotting the boss. In-game music, I can do in-game music, but the in-game music, to be honest, is not that big. For me at least, it's not that great. Where is it? Like some techno, but. Well, if I didn't get hit.
Make it painless. Hit him where it hurts.
Get body instantly? Yeah, I know, right? Oh, there you go. Now we have the boss.
Let's make this quick.
You have the secure parry. I mean, kinda, yeah.
The final act begins now.
And then, like, every character that you get is just like Genshin, like, it plays very differently from each other.
A beautiful shooting star!
But yeah, that's the gameplay battle wise. But to be honest, in my opinion, that's like not even like the main selling point of the game for me. I was just smashing 2 buttons, bro. Like genuinely, like 3 buttons actually, 3. It's very simple. Like it's so brain dead. Like the gameplay system, like if you play it, you try it, it's so brain dead. You just press 3 buttons. All you need is timing. But it's very, very like friendly. But anyways. That was it. I need to close that. I finished my dailies. I finished the new feature on this little game. So I'm happy. We made progress today, and I can go to sleep. Your game better, I think. I mean, you know, don't get me wrong. I am a god gamer, but Yay, sleep. I know, I know. I deserve sleep. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wish you all a good night. Thank you for coming by as always. Greatly appreciate it. I'm not gonna be streaming tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I have to go to the gym. Probably the day after won't be streaming either way. But on Tuesday, I will. Anyways, have a good night.